this is what we need in Australia. More overseas teams coming. It's unbelievable.
My nonno, which means grandpa in Italian, he knew them and all of my family supported them for years.
We're from Niagara Falls, Canada, and we moved to Sydney recently, and when we found out Juventus was coming here, we basically ran here.
It's my life. They're my life.
I was born in Italy, so for me to be here is awesome. I've been living here for 2 years, and now I have the possibility to stay so close to my team. So for me, it's perfect. It's a perfect night.
It's going to be massive tomorrow. Huge. It's I think 65,000 people, screaming supporters. Not as good as Juventus Stadium, but the support will be magnificent.
Forza Juve, dai!
Forza Juve!